Alright, I'm back. What is that? What am I looking at? What are those? Are those butterflies? Hey James. What? So what am I doing? So I did something here. I got some. Oh, wait. Oh yeah, and oh yeah, I forgot to mention. I did something. I downloaded something that gets the things don't look stupid anymore. I can watch the cutscenes now, so I don't have to go look them up again. And I got canned juice. It was in the hallway on the first floor. Can I use that? I can use that. Okay, that's probably like health, huh? There's also health drink. This doesn't tell me what this is. Looks like I can't use that here. Oh, okay. So I do have to use that for something. I need to look for a vending machine. I gotta look for some vending machine. Oh, wait. There's trash chutes, kind of trash stuck in the hole. Okay. Toss this down the hole. Heck yeah, that was it. Okay. It's random as balls. The garbage bag is covered in the contents and strewn all over. I got an old man coin. Heck yeah. What's this? Some gossip magazine, eh? The police announced today that Walter Sullivan, who was arrested on the 18th of this month. This isn't gossip. This is an article. Okay, cool. So that story helped. Okay. What? All right, but now I'm still confused on where to go. So I got 2 coins, and I still got more to do. I gotta find like 3 more coins. I can't just look in this. Ooh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go to the courtyard. Got some unfinished business. Nope. Hey, so I got some questions for you guys. Have you seen a coin in around? What was that? No? You guys haven't seen anything? Have you heard about that Walters guy? Look at those boots of his. I like those. Okay, stop moving. There we go. Heck yeah, got 1, right? Oh, missed. Hold on. Gotcha. Stop it. No, oh man. Hey, hold on, bud. Oh, man. This is like actually trying to kill rats in real life. No, hold on a sec, baby carriage. Fine. Oh, I got a snake coin. You know what? You guys are annoying me. I don't know, it just seems... Oh, okay, so this is the thing I've never seen before. Yeah, that doesn't make any sense. Where? Okay, where am I now? Let's figure this out. Okay, so this is the place for the... Yeah. This is the place for the, well, you know what it is. 3 bright coins in 5 holes B. Wait a second. Does that mean I only needed 3 coins? Hot diggity. Something about the wind. It's behind the serpent. So this one. Yes. I think it's all fitting quite well. Did it. Alright, I mean... And the prisoner has left the old man. Well, what the heck? No. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. Cookie. What? Oh, oh, oh.
Are you still here?
Yeah. I feel kind of sick. I'll be okay soon.
Okay.
You should get out of this town when you can.
Yeah.
Yeah. I know, but
That's not my name. Can I get out of here? Tired of the smell of Chad's puke.